Hi everybody, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sylvia and today I am making a simple dish of spinach and tripe. I assembled all my ingredients. I'll be adding onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. I'll use some tomatoes, tripe, spinach, Maggie cubes, habanero, ginger root, and some garlic. So I go ahead and add some oil to a pan. I'm going to let that heat up. Then I bring in my onions. I'm going to saute my onions for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to bring in my tomatoes. I add some salt. I'm going to cook my tomatoes until they are soft. So now I bring in my garlic and ginger root. I did mince my garlic and ginger root together. I bring in the Maggie cubes. And now time to add the tripe. The tripe I'm adding here is pre-cooked. I did cook my tripe earlier on because it takes a longer time to cook. So now I added some black pepper. I'm going to bring in some habanero. Habaneros you can add as much as you like, depends on how much heat you can take. So I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Then I bring in my green peppers, red bell pepper. I give it a stir. I don't want to overcook the vegetables. So now I am going to bring in my spinach. I'm using frozen spinach. I did thaw my spinach and I drained out the excess water. I'm going to continue cooking this for another 3 to 4 minutes. I'll gradually stir in the pot so everything can get mixed together. It's looking good and it smells so good, guys. My spinach is ready to serve in a minute. So guys, let me know what you think about this dish. It's a simple dish, doesn't require too many ingredients, easy to prepare. Let me know if you can try this out at home. And I thank you all so much for watching. Happy cooking, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.